is stupidity, Hopeson, and I think you should know this. You have acted moronic for so long. Fucking get some sense. We yiri Germany. We see in the woman you do we yiri eba Ghana babe sie no. Yeah, you know Germany and Kobe Emma. We yiri Hopeson, we yiri free mu. Katra ya say me Hopeson adoye. Me yiri ye no. Me tua ska we. Ama ye de ye me yiri ye. Yes, I'm on some for ye na wo from on some for ye. MPP for ya. And you see we yere fefe de enu nyam ba we ni. Ye wie ye and ye say bola good to be aba so for bi se won pe and now say nya hwe ye mfa nya flat amount na wo de be ye doko no eno so ka kire ye say wo ware ye wo ne wo yiri ni na mo ware ye musika hin na wo sa marriage ni mu o de this time be jimi wo yere nkade bia je be ma be life aba be su ono so na kakra na we o be su no o yere na o gba ne kakra meradi me de wo ena me dia me nyame tiampa ye give to adwenim me madam no na so kunu no wo jimi ya boy yam kakra na camera besa na my God is living and my God is sustainable God and na no precious bikes next and nyame and me share oh nyame e why and na wusu anye be ba tu nsu agu so me say odia dike me ba obi ababa mu me say me ka kire mo Hopeson. If you want us to respect your wife, then advise yourself and respect other people's wife. On fa we yere nkonko she glass na on ma me fo obi yere mfa ni nsisim pie so. Enke kan kwasi asem de enim ni de wom ni na mfa mfra se o ye politics. Na uwie kosi a na yi ase a o kwa akosere na ugina wa na wo se na nka ede na aka. Samira sabi onwura na tade o ma nufu ono mu ana. Utikwana ko jinu nufu kura di jam when you ma kura won say jimi no. Etiye for you people don't know what I've gone through because of Hopeson one. Men kamasem. Me say men kamasem because of Hopeson adoyenti. Most MPP people didn't even want to relate with me. I'm being honest with you. MPP before baby dem pay say we na party office some person baby me na Hopeson adoyenti. Because no more June say my loyalty lies with Hopeson and not the party. Na ya yeku mu ama makote afa franto kogu mu animu ase nenne ye san ba ya wasen be gina ho e na ofiri ni je ofiri Bamako why ofiri Bamako Samira free Bamako ude jai kura mame Samira free Bamako ono an ye se yepe eya ka kira wo yiri se oya popular enti won ko gina for assemblies people no nyame mam ho nto mu da no ma ke ne ba bia nsuo nka. Because man jene Ghana dachi ho. Mo june mafu any mani onyama mo benya in the public. And then state capture e Japade Hopeson adoya e se prekese ya de koto abenkwan mu. Hopeson adoya why your hu se prekese na mate so mo se obo sabato dia. And then obo sabato dia. Wan ka safari ni wanim Hopeson. Eya me ya pa se me go me ho egugu me ho ene oba be nante ye me donya me nu me ho nten bibia sada sa wagini sa wo to me fan crofo yire edu omu atam ka dia pa no be be ka wo gift ya sam dia wo so ko boni dua na bosum ban kra na be san kwase dua na ma wo bosum be Hopeson adoye bosum be pa no obedi san kwase asem we yachi wo wodi obe yire ti simpie so agu no fi esen no wo yire di obe kasa wo yire ha dia wo se da bi wabo. Hey, now Hopeson adoye say na now tie onam woni na we empty like that. My God, it's like Obebonua. Hopeson, so be a honor say aburu ni dua ye wo and esa achimfo ni na ye konko nwadam aburu Hopeson dua sama wa bra bo nsi wiye da. Because so the obey you bro some no bitterness, greediness, what no some ye no ni na didi efom. No one to me from mobile papa bi entu who said that the whole clan ekotu mu say ye ya achimfo a ye wia Ghana Japade. And we Japade book na we. Hopeson adoye we japade book na we he once when me gu ase na wan de haji ade ye no o ma wo ye foolish keke na say wu gina no ade ya wo ya me see we are say every bully hates somebody who bullies. The bullies hate themselves. Na wo go gina be keka sankwasi asem we e de afọ obi yire ho na wo wi a wo se onipa na sia we ya say Dr. Bawumia no o different medicine unti no no into na dia moye nisu ni na nka ba haji ade gurube emfa haji ade me se na me hope me catch you endra me ma warning endra so won say video be trend ya no na ye preview me sa 2023 nkwasi asem na moye ya yenum bi ye kom na we ye ya na like haji anum so munjai Felix, you know we are the same party, you know the haji my own madam is you. Madam, this time around, you are not going to stop any of us. Hadia Samira Bawumia, this time you are not going to stop anybody. Hadia, if they want clean campaign, then they should not mention your name. If they mention your husband's name, I'm okay. And your politics. But Hadia Samira, if these fools whose wives don't match you anywhere, ebe yes you do enu be from Hadia na ye enu bi ne be boye to brezi abetena ye be Jimmy rough. Hopeson, so bia o ho ese sa abosuma e wo Ghana ni dia eye wo Hopeson adoye e na ese abosuma e wo Ghana ni wudi. Wona nka wo ya ma esum eduru Ghana e wo ya hinda no so. Udi medi ya mo apesie ma e na nka wo ye de sebe a whole president akwakoto problem mu. Ye wie ye Hopeson adoye ka kire ye se we broni case ye course no Hopeson we nya $1 kura ndi wo ho da. Na msumi fa receipt mra. My country said this time around, sad gentleness now, Hopeson, I'm telling you this time I won't protect you again. It will not work. It will not work. Hopeson, I'm telling you, if you don't keep quiet and form your useless, confused bunch of people and bitter group called UP. Now, Bayesa with the Samira, Bayesa, Jimmy, and Hopeson, this time, don't fucking try. Hopeson, don't fucking try this time around. If you to obey a man too. Chopper Ben, who hopes not doye, man pow. Chopper Ben, a man pow. And then Japadia book no eh. And the Ghana box sites now, yeah, the man and Ado Bana. Then a Japadia didn't work. Udini bitterness. Me nimsika do na hopes in person. Yeah, the man was a well brony case no. Who's no who could do what? Who could do kwasi atwa? Ekuya say well to me now who pictures, naked picture. Now the Baba blackmail party. Hey, wunti. Hopeson adoye wunti. As much as Nanado loved me, as much as Nanado cherished me, Nanado couldn't even come close to me because of you, Hopeson adoye. Cause someone to say, the woman me beke biano, baba beka che Hopeson. Me and Kasami social media now for Sabato, SKB, why? Everybody was wondering why Felix is not talking about Hopeson. Because I wanted to give respect to friendship. But if those things means nothing to you, if those things means nothing to you, then I'm the one in the boat, and you know I'm there, and you know everything I have is credible. So don't even fuck with me, Hopeson. Don't even try that. You know me, you claim me be credible. And I'm assuming men no say start here in Kulu. So advise your stupid self to stay away from the issues of Samira Bawumia. Hey, Samira so ye konkomben you. So ye Hari Krishna you. Sebion predu asasa wo ye poasi ni po. Ono na Ghana for say ye pay. Into wo yere Michael Jackson no. Pe kwan a say wo du na busu afie a enkraman po no. Ye say na nansa wo ko na busu afie kraman bi o wo se wasesa. Kraman ni hu wo yere na wo ni samanya be fie. Wo yere wo wura fie a ye po no se saman. Ma me start san kwasi asem ni bi o. If you want us to respect your wife, Hopeson, respect other people's wife. You cannot insult somebody's wife and expect that your wife should be cherished. That is stupidity, Hopeson, and I think you should know this. You have acted moronic for so long. Fucking get some sense. We yiri Germany. We see in the woman you do we yiri eba Ghana bebe sie no. Yeah, you know Germany and Kobe Emma. We yiri Hopeson, we yiri free mu. Katra ya sa me Hopeson adoye. Me yiri wu ya no. Me tuya ska we. Ama ya de ya me yiri yi. Yes, I'm on some foy and now from some foy. MPP for ya. And you see, we yet fair dear no number power with him. Ye, and you say, Bola good to be about, so for this one pet, and I'll say, Yashi, young fanya flat amount now, what the bear docono. And also, catch it and say, War warrior, one we didn't in our more warrior, Musika hin and I was a married him. What the this time, did Jimmy, or you can be a Jabama by life ever be soon. I'm not a cacra now we obey soon. O yerena obane kakra meradi medewo ena media nyame tiampa ye give to adwenim me madam no na so kunu no wo jimi ya boy yam kakra na camera besa na my God is living and my God is sustainable God and na no precious bags next and nyame and na me share oh nyame e why
and na bumped dane kufa dunia no ana say e obidin krompa e fe no furiata e obidin a e fe no furiata and I can also say, like you say, 100 million deal sealed. Oforiata buys Azuma Resources, entity now wholly Ghanaian owned. I can say na NDC for Ghana for civil society for good governance watches near the day anti-corruption wa info no almost say na come fado. A year na you say 100 million deal sealed. Gabi asawachi da kuso no so companies also a law firm internationally recognized and I can gabi picture na that graphic front page and I will be a friend no ofuriata picture and I JB down kwabi and I can da hol man say kufu adu bi krompa in fact o share former CID boss former Shraj boss former Yoko boss Mamitiwa ado dankwa mopa munko dankwa ntini ne problem ado dankwa de dan suntin bra mame abre et imagine say ekakufu adubi ado dankwa bi ofurata bi ana gabi ena kana ana asara chere da kubia ena ka da se ma se na ka Ghana for befa no and the graphic front page Ibrahim Ama ne da ho ye ko da sebre ba so change free so
me kai ebra na ye wo position ye wa ban na MDC mana president Mahama me president na ya ti Ibrahim Mahamadin but oba president no oba president di ya kakraka obeti Ibrahim Mahama ye we beti Ibrahim Mahama ye we beti Ibrahim Mahama ye we ye oye Ghana ni hadwin de ma Ghana fo hunu se bibi wom ye bra o mampani Mahama 2016 ye to aba ma o lusu ye na aka na nsam ofri abamu ofa ye box at ye wanyine hi so me kwa me nkoni nsapan ye wona Yesu kan se me nyamu nyanka me mama ochigina fofoforo no ne ma betuna da nti o nya ni nua no ajanka enti obepa bibi die gya no ansa no akọ ene o ye we adi Ghana box at eja ni nua a che no it took one Simon Osemensa then a central regional minister no say lalai machine bi enu ebetwam akowura sa akwaye nso okoye dwuma da eno ampene ye dia se no be court ye be twitwitwitwi ene wuye omo ba ye sa box search site no onu so omko ho pe amafo be state him enti se oyi ani afiri ho eno de ani akoba bi foforo because asase ye ka ho asemi ye se omo value pa no a enye skaketwa but president nuanti what 100 million akwaje o mo sha se na hehe oba se o ya wi bibia company ne ba se nya no kre but yes what team for team wa owro okawa ayo okaba efa wabati enti omuni ano omuni tumi enti ya Jeffrey wo nsem ya ban na aba ye na se o man no ehye yensa enti de ye pe ene ye beye na we a bad precedence na wo settle because I say the omampani mahama ni ndisi 4 year no omu hwe ye fi se we ye ndisi ni kra na ansesa ma utimi ode me ka se lady bi da bia wo ka se President Mahama wo jeje brogu ye so na wo kɔ wi a ye ya ka kire no ane ho be kire no na mpadu nyumo so kɔduo wo de awukuro na wo nuanom de wo ye se nyame ya dom na utwa wo mfie na no wie na wo kɔ na MPP abanba na ɔse sa deals ahoro awo ye nyina nyese me ka se deals akro no na emom krata wasensan wudi we ama we waye we wapam we afiri ha waye we ye selfa ebre aye ni nyina afoforo na di yi atu yi a mo be ka se rich hunting but wo ye bie ni de na wo time de na ye enti mo hwe ni ye o kaka yese moto wana mu twa troto yeso yahunu bi pay yati bi pay ebi abesini ko omo na kan se efiri nyame ye begina ya nya aban a obaye na aban dada no mu nipa di bone atia wo man no like double salary like ya issue that checks ya criminal offense e wo marry mu aban no ni se chichiri man anya machi we yatum ma ye bruwe ye we ene be mo man yakoye nim enti yenkoye nim but mo dia mo ba ye no mo ba mo di ni pese o mani so mo ni so se mo ben mo betata nipa mo fifie ba mo ma adwen se yanso ye be pay ho anya because ye last ye nie ye bre ni ti bre we twam a
eno ano
no enti ye se ye mi ye ni bre na de ye be fa bia na ye fa ansan ne yakọ and you people were talking about state capture and no na uti anu akoma ye ya se NDC for no mo to opposition no mo ye state capture mo ba ba mu ani busu mienu no bi kwoto legon efie legon fie ani busu mienu ani obi nya ye man ministerial appointment ya okoto fie o islegon
oto 2 houses egom
na state capture be na chance ha eni na nsa obi so akwaje man concession kakraka company wafa entimi ojije fa mbajije afa but ababi ba no so no so beti committee nya ye hwehwemu na ya de bibi ato ba bi esese de to ama mo ntena ba bi nkase ye state capture evi se ensu anto ade besa cha MP NDC ntena ba mu forever and NDC MPP ntena opposition forever abanse sabeba.
Okay, Mati koka yanko
wo hu sania Ibrahim e front page no ye ba
nefe papa
since ye ba ye co opposition how many times no almost Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enya sa prominence ne da
graphic
oh say abusan chemfa say state owned newspaper so abusan chemfa
so they draw attention is say beyond abusan chemfa yedia miniadia media memfa but mokai President John Dramani Mahama na interview bi oye opposition no accuse na nado yusu ne nkrofo ne wi anoma
ai obomudin obogabia sa se da kokura mpudin
sa asem no kan na efutu no de mamo no kire mu so ba ban mu a sa format no be yusu ene no na ekoso so ko tie interview na de okan e bia no jiji nkrofo no obo omudin ni free mu nefa onu ne ho nkrofo na omu represent CC ni shem
substitution by elimination. Yes. Okay.
Take the same video na yi nkrofo no obo omudin no nefa omu a o start omu implement minia dia state capture no for mo hihye ho ene wati ora no ma omo to
omo se say
enkoso
say enye
ni nya because ebi wo so omo investigation ye yeni an okuje to beka che say omo almost about 100 your friends saying
$21 billion
dollars
I best say economy
by you say there you know say Monfa nchemi na pure madness. $21 billion now omo kan ye no. Omo the Bank of Ghana for pokan ho. The cost of construction no Bank of Ghana project is so fefe no. Omo the nyina aka ho. Say it's escalon so no yon ombeji. Ana me say na escalon Bank of Ghana danye AC now the tallest building in Ghana. Yeah, mobile ye ma occupy all the floors. Afa nipa bebre gumo Bank of Ghana. Etimo kwaji says can everyone ho. Now omo tro the account say Ghana MPP for ebokro no $21 billion. Now mo just can nyina and Ghana e be de. Oh, you see the madness.
Now omo say nipa bia just omo ye peeved.
Yes. Yes.
And former committee.
No, but Mother be saying, they even said Sofia Kufu was Nana Kufado's relative.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some guy.
Akufunti.
And Minya Bakoso Eddie Abremi was saying, Nanado's brother is a businessman. He had other relatives as business people, but he never handed over any key mineral site to his family members, and yet he was branded all kinds of names. Today. Just 10 months and there's fight over another mine by JDM's brother. With all the money that they have, they still want to capture state property. Yo.
What is Nanado near air clear Odona Gate Muda?
A debi.
What is all yes our contract? What is Nanado near B any obi chinchin and sasso G mine a free no.
I will be was the tell Kuka that he will use Kwame Nkrumah's achievement to campaign because he's his role model. You know, once and work on. Okay. So what's the role model of Kwame Nkrumah? And to tell you, Kwame Nkrumah project instead of a good father. Hey, and go for the
have in mind that he will never criticize John Dramani. Oshe send here corner. Say graphic. BB on baby has to be about the Mahama family, the NDC. Munya omo. Say yes, you beba. Say petition yes, you nimchro.